Surah Al Baqarah consists of 286 ayahs. It can be divided into 9 main sections, based on theme or topic. A. Faith versus unbelief, ayah 1 to 20. B. Allah's creation and knowledge, 21 to 39. C. Deliverance of law to children of Israel, 40 to 103. D. Abraham was tested, 104 to 141. E. Kaaba is the new Qibla, 142 to 152. F. Muslims will be tested, 153 to 177. G. Deliverance of law to Muslims, 178 to 253. H. Allah's creation and knowledge, 254 to 284. I. Faith versus unbelief, 285 to 286. If we arrange these topics in a circular pattern, they form a ring structure. Surprisingly, all these sections are arranged in a ring composition too. We shall discuss all these individually in the next videos. Stay tuned to our channel.